So, what a way to kick off the new month. Big tech came roaring back, geopolitical tensions eased, and investors are already looking ahead to one of the biggest economic reports of the week. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, August 4th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. All right, let's get started. Well, yesterday, U.S. stocks got off to a strong start in August as technology shares led the rally. The Nasdaq Composite jumped 2.1%, the Standard & Poor's 500 gained 1.5%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 1.3% to finish at another record high. A big reason for the positive mood came from the geopolitical front. Over the weekend, hopes for diplomacy between the United States and Iran improved after President Trump said he had canceled a planned military strike in favor of negotiations aimed at reopening the Strait of Hormuz. That helped push oil prices lower and gave investors another reason to buy stocks. Now, earnings season is also picking up speed. Yesterday, Palantir reported results, while investors are now turning their attention to SpaceX, which is set to release its first quarterly earnings report as a public company later today. With the stock trading near record lows, expectations are running high. On the economic side, there was more encouraging news. The manufacturing sector returned to expansion, with the ISM index rising to 55.6, suggesting business activity strengthened during July. And finally, the biggest event still lies ahead. Today, investors continue watching corporate earnings, but all eyes are increasingly shifting toward Friday's U.S. jobs report, which is expected to show another month of solid employment growth and could play an important role in shaping expectations for the Federal Reserve. All right, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. See you tomorrow morning.